can I get right? Like a dog without his bite. Don't know which way to go. Don't know what I'm looking for. Meditate all the time, hoping that I could find a ladder that I could climb to get this off my mind. Until then, I'll just be trapped in her arms. I'm deeply wrapped. Before I lose control, I start to scream and scold. You better check this way we're living. It's reckless. Jealousy kills the people with envy. Lack of self-control, that could be the answer that you're throwing on to a lifestyle that you're going on. So go on with your bad self until you find your life on a shelf. Checking your beeper, trying to keep up. Most